Can you read that? An estimated 4 billion American chestnut trees died from blight in the first half of the 20th century. Much like the ash trees were taken out recently. We had some very nice ash trees on our property, and they die. They die from the top down. American chestnut, Smoky Mountain, circa 1910. Bringing back the American chestnut, 1983. I'm going to go ahead and back out here so hopefully you can freeze that and read it if you want to. Wow. Ohio Forest Fire Management. It said you can climb the steps, but you can't go in the building at the little room at the top. I want to zero in on this. Extreme drought conditions 52 to 54 during this 3-year period contribute to some of the worst fire seasons on record in Ohio. Along with ODNR, Division of Forestry and local fire departments, ODNR's Parks and Wildlife employs assistance and suppression efforts. The Ohio National Guard was also called in to help extinguish the blazes. That is cool. Okay, here we go. No more than 6 visitors allowed on tower at one time. All visitors climbing tower do so at own risk. Did I tell you I don't like heights? Trying to suppress my breathing. I'm an old man. Halfway. Who's that down there? Videotaping me, videotaping her. Hope my sciatica don't act up here. Well, we're at the top as far as we can go.
Not very many, just don't look down. You're fine. Just keep going. Huh? Okay. Do you want us to take you back
There
down?
she is. Look at the view.
It is absolutely gorgeous.
Hello.
Hi.
Oh my. Wish I had good zoom. .360 here. Beautiful. You can see for miles and miles. That's what it's for. Got a movie theater. For some reason, it must be in honor of Clarence. It's pretty nice. You want to bring some seat cushions if he's coming to see it, but pretty nice. Church Hollow Electric Project was made possible by partnerships with AEP Horizon, Friends of Scioto Trails State Park. This is an old log church. There's Samuel again. Was that Samuel on the other name over at the movie amphitheater? A lot of people etched their initials in here. MB. And I can't really read this. Maybe if you can stop this and freeze it, maybe you can take the time to read it. The Herman something cave. It's kind of cool. E.S. Hammond. The door is locked. Beautiful. I sure would like to be able to get in there if it wasn't locked. Huge, huge fireplace on this end. Electric outlet. I wonder if they use it on Sunday morning. If they do, I may just come down here tomorrow morning. You know that, Connie? I wonder if they use this on Sunday morning.
There's a wasp flying, honey. Look. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
On it in just a minute.
Yeah, mud daubers. If they use this on Sunday morning, you may just come down here in the morning. Over there is what's called Caldwell Lake. They say the fishing's very good there. Yeah, I wonder if this bell works. If so, we gotta ring the bell. Well, it's got a bell in it, so let's see. No. There we go. Sorry about the sun. That says Clarence over there, so it's not Clarence on this over here.
Ask those people if they know if there's
It's Samuel. invite you all to come to Southern Ohio and hike the Buckeye Trail. I recommend you be in your 20s or 30s though, maybe 40s. Woo! It's almost as hard going down as it is going up. We would get to one of these landings here and we'd have to stop and rest. Make it a couple more stories and have to stop and rest. I don't know how many feet it is up. Foresty Forest could do it. No problem. I don't know about Steve Wallace though. I know Camo Dave couldn't do it. I don't think. Camo Dave might surprise me. He looks like he's in pretty good shape. I think that might be horses. I don't see any horseshoes though. That might just be big deer maybe. I don't know. If it was horses, it seemed like it would have the horseshoe imprint in there. I don't think a buck, even a big buck would have a imprint that big. Now if I was backpacking, I could put me a tent right in there and spend the night. What do you think, Camo Dave? You think you could get this done? Now I did see, looked like the imprint of a horse. Nope, that's a tennis shoe. Thought that was the imprint of a horseshoe. What kind of print is that? That's pretty big. Goes kind of deep too. If we have any nature lovers out there that ever sees our videos and knows what them prints are, put it in the comments. Buckeye Trail goes both ways. Let's go see what this comes to. Oh, okay, I see. Let's go this way. That's just that's the roundabout. We came in this way. Started up that hill. That would be a nice walking stick right there. Got to whittle it down. Bring you a lot of water if you want to do this trail. Better yet, bring you a dirt bike. And yeah, a lot of bug spray. They seem to be more towards the edge of the wood though than back in there. Could be because of this little bit of water right here. We got to go back down and walk across this water bridge. They're buzzing me. What we used has DEET in it, so it's pretty good stuff. Our faithful silver sitting here waiting on us. It's time to end this video. Another adventure has come and gone. So until next time, wood rings on the road, endless weekends. Be looking forward to the next endless weekend. Bye-bye.